Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna and today I have for you Doorables opening. But this is a Disney Mickey's Year of the Ears opening. And as you can see on there, it says certificate, or it says special edition certificate. So these are special edition ears. I actually got them from one of my collector friends. Her name is Monica. And she picked these up in her local Target or Walmart for a very cheap price. So she forwarded them to me. They did not come in their box that they normally come in. She just put them in a mailer and sent them to me. But these are all the different ears you can get. When I first saw these Mickey ears in the store, I was really going after my Doorables, my other collection, and not the Mickey ears. And I think I've seen an unboxing of this ears on another channel, and I thought, wow, those are so cute. But I never got any. And then my friend Monica sent these to me. So the choices that you can get are Band Leader, Tiki, Train Engine, Technicolor, Fantasia, Mouseketeer, Steamboat Willie, and a bronze figure. And then they have a bonus figure that is at the top here. It's Topiary. And so that's a total of 9, right? And I have 9 bags here. So she sent me 9 bags. So I'm wondering if one of them is the Topiary. I mean, the special edition collection will have everything in there. So I'm gonna get every one of them, and I'm hoping that one is a Topiary. So without further delay, I'm gonna open these up. And the first one off the bat, I picked the bonus figure, and it's the Topiary. I gotta put my glasses on. Look at how pretty that is. His eyes are green. He's got little garden ears. I guess little Topiary ears. Here's the back of it. Super cute. Really, really cute. Love it. This will go into one of my collector cases that are here on the wall behind me. I had to change the angle of my desk. I had to put it by the window so I'd have better lighting because the lighting was just horrible. Oh, this is really cute. It's the bronze, and he has, I guess, diamond colored eyes. So the back is just all bronze, but I'll show you anyway. And Mickey looks like he's got his hand up behind him like that. Oh, it's the same. Okay, it's the same pose on every one of them. So that was the bronze. Oh, okay, this is Steamboat Willie. Steamboat Willie. I guess he came out in did he come out in 1928? I don't even know. Okay, that's Steamboat Willie. Let's go to the next one. And this is the Tiki Room. Tiki Room. His gloves are green. There's the Tiki Room. Okay, next one. Let's see what the next one will be. Oh, Train Engineer. Okay. Now guys, I have never been to Disney World. I went to Disneyland when I was in the summer of the 7th grade, just before going into the 7th grade. So my memories are very vague of Disneyland. And so I don't even remember a Tiki Room or, what's this other one? I don't even remember hardly anything, except it was super, super hot. This one is the Mouseketeer. It was super darn hot, and we went in the summer, and I drank a lot of grape juice. And being from Hawaii, I had never ever, I guess my mom never made us grape juice, I don't know. So it was like a new adventure. Grape juice. I remember that much. Oh, this must be Fantasia. Yeah, this is Fantasia. He's got little stars in his eyes. Mickey is cute in this one. So anyway, when a lot of people or fellow YouTubers talk about this ride or that ride or this thing or that thing. Like, I don't know what they're talking about. I know my Disney in the form of Disney cartoons, Disney princesses, but now I finally get to experience going to Disney World and being a part of what everyone else is talking about and raving about, and the snacks this and the snacks that. I don't remember snacks. Okay, this is the last one, guys. And this is the Technicolor. Oh, I think this is so cute. Look at that. Technicolor. This might be my favorite one, I think. So anyway, I leave in. Today is Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I leave in 5 days. Well, not just me and my husband. And 2 of my kids are meeting us there in Disney World. So it's going to be a fun trip and adventure. And I will post Instagram. So if you don't follow me yet, follow me at Blonde Amazon 808 on Instagram. And I'll be putting up some pictures of, I don't know, just of my experience, just first impressions, you know, being in my 50s, going to Disney World for the first time. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Aloha.